Goats love Christmas trees, solstice trees, whatever you want to call it. When you're done with your tree, your goats will love it, but I would make sure that the tree came from your own land, or that you know where it came from, because the word out there is that even Christmas trees are getting sprayed with shit nowadays, so be careful which solstice tree you give to your goats, because you don't want them to eat anything nasty. But you know where the tree came from, or if you cut it yourself out in the woods, just you know, make sure there isn't any tinsel or other crap on it, and it's good to go. And they'll love it. Right, girls? Happy goats? Yeah. Yeah, they're loving this shit right here. You can almost smell this video, can't you? Tasty, tasty tree. Hey, s'mores be nice.